So the next question is
Bharat KBC. Come on.
Bharat.
okay. So again, the order
KBC,
is
yeah.
Rishika, Leishan, and then Rukia. Okay. So the next question is, who was your first crush? Rishika.
Oh, like I should tell the
Wait, what
name
was
You
or
the
can
something?
question?
describe
No,
the
what was
No,
the
if
point
person.
you
of the
want,
question?
if you
No,
want,
no,
you can
no.
tell. Else you can
You
tell the
can tell the
story.
story.
I
How was
just
it? Like, how did you form
Wait,
a crush on that person and all that?
I'll phrase the question better. Any awkward or interesting crush stories?
awkward and interesting. Okay, I'll tell first crush story. That would be better, I guess.
Me and Rishika can tell the first crush story, no, Rishika?
Okay, for context, I and Rukia crushed on the same guy. He was our
Oh,
first crush.
dude, it's already like a movie scene now. Okay,
Drama.
continue.
Love
Okay,
triangle.
so this was in high school. Like I was in ninth standard, and I was from a girls' high school. So we had this tuition class called CFA. Oh fuck, why did I say? Okay, okay. So I used to go to that class, and there was this one guy. He was very cute, and like he was like all rounder kind of guy. Like he's a guitar player, football player, full like the
And then he
alpha,
played
not
with your
alpha.
feelings.
Dude, nothing. Dude, he didn't even notice me. What playing with my feelings? Nothing. So yeah, he was cool and all. And yeah, we used to go to the same class. Then after class, I used to see him. Then he used to talk to other hot chicks. So I was like, oh my god, I and this is not gonna work. I realized it soon. Then I don't know. School happened, and then we went. Fun fact: he was in the same PU college I was also. So I saw him for like 5 years,
Got
but still
it.
couldn't do anything. But somehow he came to know that I had a crush on him, and he chose to ignore it. So yeah, that's a very sad crush story I have, guys.
Wait,
Every story of Rishika is
how
tragedy
did
only
he,
in the end.
yeah, how did he come to know her?
Thanks to my friend in the panel.
Yeah,
I think
Taiba.
I know who.
Yeah. Yeah, sure. Rukia had to like Rukia was friends with him, so she just casually mentioned. I was like, "Fuck, why did you tell, dude?" Then okay, that's not the sad part. It's like in college, like in PU college, my one of my friend was his friend, and I just like casually mentioned, "Yeah, I had a crush on him in ninth standard," and he went and told him again. So yep, that was the worst thing ever that happened to me.
That was not that verse, I believe.
Dude,
I think whatever we say, no, Rishika will end up telling her sad stories only.
Yeah.
guys,
That's so
dude,
depressing.
it is.
Just leave the room.
Everyone's like that, dude. Guys, it's not that sad. Also, okay,
The
it's
people in the
fine.
audience are already sobbing, dude.
I think let's move on to Lishan.
Yep.
Yes. Regarding the first crush, I won't tell about first crush, but I'll tell about the first crush after I came to Nitte, okay?
Oh, okay. Come on, go on.
So there was one first
That's this
day
question.
orientation in our college. Before they made groups and all on the first day. And there was one senior, okay, one girl. So, she was in charge of everyone, I guess. Like, there were two main guys, one guy and one girl. They were in charge, and this girl was the main, okay. And she was also my group leader, okay. So, like, no big crush moment as such, but then just that I saw and I got a crush on her. Only that much. No much stories and all. Then I tried to talk and all. It was a failure, but I won't tell about all that here.
See, every first crush story is a failure only, guys. It's not like sad and all. That's how you begin.
No, Rishika, no.
Except for Rukia.
But I think we at least end up being happy, Rishika.
Yes,
Yeah.
Rishika.
Somewhere. See, I enjoyed the feeling. I liked like I don't know whatever the feeling I saw when I saw him was good. Then, but it didn't end up well. So okay, I have no regrets.
Oh, you can see the
See, हम
sorrow in
बहुत
her
positive.
voice, people.
चुप रह तू ठीक है तो मैं रो रही हूँ मैं रोऊंगी मैं अभी पॉडकास्ट खत्म होते ही।
Okay, let's move on to Rukia.
The same guy which Rishika had a crush on, yeah. It's the same guy we spoke. He gave me high hopes. He was flirting, everything. And then finally I had the guts to tell him. And when I told him, he rejected me. Yeah, that's it. In
Two
short.
girls got rejected by the same guy.
Hey, dude, I didn't ask him out for they told him. I said what? They are
Yeah.
lying, dude. I am
See,
No,
not
no.
see,
I
feeling
let
had
things.
me
I
tell
had
you.
asked him, but then he just told that he's going to a different place. So it's like he can't and all of that. So in a nice way, he rejected, not like very like yeah.
Did he tell Feli Fursat Menikal or something?
No, no, no. He didn't say like that.
Like, it was 2016 edition. It's
Yeah.
way too
Ha
like me.
ha ha ha.
Yeah, he just like, yeah. But then you could feel the rejection. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
it.
Okay.
Yeah. Sudesh.
Yeah, yeah, I think everyone is there. Whoever joined you, this is Chai Sutta podcast, and it is not Chai Sutta podcast. You should ask me only, like Calvin said. DM me, okay? If you are a girl, ask question.
Wow, this is how Sudesh will get chicks to DM him. What does this?
I think I should use. See, they said you should use every opportunity. That's what I'm doing, I
Yeah,
guess.
yeah, that's how this works, dude. Dating
Yeah,
feels brutal.
Chai
yeah.
Sutta.
Welcome to everyone, whoever joined later on. This is our first ever episode of Chai Sutta podcast, and today we are speaking about pickup lines, dating, and what women want. Yeah, let's move on.
Yeah. So this
Bro,
is
a
a
question.
$1 million question. Everybody in the nation wants to know. Not everybody, but boys. Okay. Only boys. Yeah. Okay. So the question is to Rishika. What do women want? Go ahead.
You
If
are a
if
woman.
they knew it, they would
No,
have
no.
told by now.
What
But
are
they
your
won't tell.
expectations from guys that you would like would date with? Okay. I mean, like, what are the
Okay.
characteristics and all that?
Calvin and Sudesh have
This is the
already
most
taken pen
engineering
and
way you
paper.
can put things.
Characteristics,
Characteristics
yeah.
of an. Okay.
Features.
Features.
First define it, then
Features.
give characteristics.
5 mark answer. Okay. Okay. See, guys, I can't talk for all women. This would see every girl wants different things. I can't like generally say
What did I
that
tell you? Don't give
women
diplomatic
want
answers,
like.
just tell.
She's
Yeah,
a
Arey,
come to
boy.
the.
exactly. So okay,
Yes.
if you're asking
Yeah,
me,
we're
I can
Yeah,
asking
answer.
you.
it's just you. It's just you. Okay, Rishik, it's just you.
See, guys, what to say now? Okay. Hmm. I don't know, dude. Well, let's start with Rukiano for a change. I really have no idea. For me, like it
You can't
depends
do that.
on.
Yeah, you have to go first.
I
They
have to go
don't
first.
want us to crack the code. Yeah, that's all.
What? That's not true. See, it's not that hard, guys. See, it really there is no like an algorithm or something like okay, this is what women want or something. I feel it's the vibe. Like whoever you vibe with, you will definitely like want to be in a relationship with them, and then you'll put in effort also, right? So that vibe thing, I don't know. Okay, see, the basic characteristics are like you should be good listeners, and what can I say? You should be understanding, should be open to change. That is very important. Like if you have like a fixed mindset, and
Are
if
you
you
giving a
if I
job
say
description for some interview?
dude, okay, you asked for it, so I'm telling you an answer. I was thinking like, okay, what should I tell in this podcast? So the whole day I summed up these points, so I'm telling you this. So yeah, it's like what was I saying? Lishan, you interrupted me. Shit. It's very nice answer I framed.
Good listener and
Good
all that. Yeah.
listener, understanding.
I understanding, right? Okay, understanding. And yeah, like you should look things at like different perspective. Like not only you should not be like no, I am thinking this according to me it's wrong and all that crap. So like you should be open to things and stuff. And yeah, it's just be nice too. That's all women want actually.
See,
Just be
Rishik,
nice.
I have a
She
question.
okay.
Okay, I'll tell you.
Yep.
See, it's so confusing because I thought like we should ask a girl out first. No, after that you should be in a relationship. Okay, so
Hmm.
I went through this one that way, and it ended up being that girl. She just want to be in relationship. She just don't want to spend like time and then decide who want to be in a relationship or not. Then again, one more thing. I thought that this is what women want. So I went like, next time I asked the girl like, I want to be when she asked I want to be in relationship, and then she said that, she wanted to just go out on a date or something. She just don't want to be serious. So that is where I found, this is like, we can't get it. Like one wants this and one wants that. That is why we wanted to know the answer from you.
See, exactly. That's what I was saying. Like, different girls want different things. It's the same with guys also, dude. Like, some guys want to be in a relationship. Some want like to be in a casual relationship. So it depends on people. So I can't give a generalized answer. So yeah, it's for I was answering according to me what's important. So that's true, dude. Like, for different girls want different things based on their experience, what they have been. So you cannot have a generalized answer. So that was my answer,
Okay.
guys.
Interesting. Okay, let's move on to Rukia.
According to me, like, firstly, the guy should have like a perspective. Like, it shouldn't be like, he's always right or whatever he says and stuff like that. He should listen to his partner, obviously, and then come to a conclusion. Like, suppose for an instance there's a situation where he thinks he's right, but at the same point the other partner also has like a valid reason to put in, but he just can't ignore it, right? So somewhere a good listener, like Rishika said, also open to changes, not like major changes, but a few changes which will keep the relationship go happy. And what else? Ethics is a major thing. Like, basic manners, we can't expect that. Like, it should be already in a person. Yeah, that is one thing. And, and what else? And also,
I
like,
think
it
I
depends
think
on.
Calvin found out that he doesn't have all these qualities
No,
and
no, his notebook became empty. He went to bring one more to write.
We've given a 10-mark answer already.
Yes,
Yeah.
now she's attempting extra.
No, that's it. Like, it depends on a person's experience also. Like, some girls want like something casual because of their past experience. Some girls want something serious because it's their first experience. So yeah, it depends on their experience as well. And obviously the vibe. If you don't vibe in, and if your personalities are like way diverging, then I doubt y'all will understand each other. Like, mentality wise also it matters. Yeah, all such things matter in the long run. Like, if your mentalities don't work together hand in hand, then it's no point of going into that relationship. That's also one thing.
yeah.
Wise words by
And
Rukia.
Yeah.
yeah, should we ask the cross
Yes.
question to Leishan?
Please,
What do you expect,
please,
Leishan,
yeah,
from a
we
girl?
want to know that.
Be
What
on
do guys
numerous
expect from
dates.
girls?
Based on your experience, please.
Yep.
Okay.
If you ask me the question, I have only one answer. Just accept
Then
my just accept when I propose. Please accept.
लड़की होनी चाहिए जिंदा होनी चाहिए.
so
I
No,
have no
except
other
that, see,
expectation.
dude, you guys say that ladki honi chahiye, zinda honi chahiye, but you all also have some unrealistic expectation also from girls.
Yeah,
yes,
true that as well.
true that.
Ask Nishan now.
Yes, we
Nishan,
do.
pressure on you now. You
Yes,
please
okay.
answer for the man point.
The
What do
the
guys want?
the worst part about expectations is when we do not have certain qualities to offer to someone, we think of it as unrealistic. Okay, it is not unrealistic. It
Okay,
will
okay.
the person can give it to someone else if he wants to. So
That.
from a girl, what a man expects is that uh, nothing much. Okay, just that you have to be understanding first of all.
And laugh on his jokes.
No, that's not required. That depends on what jokes he says. Okay. And apart from that, a man expects loyalty, and only if a man returns it in to the person, yeah, he can expect it. That is also there. But then, yeah, loyalty and understanding. If these two are there, everything will go on falling in place. You'll get respect, love, care. Everything will fall in place. These two are
Yeah,
like
Listen,
the
like
foundation.
understanding is a major key. Like if you all don't get each other, then there's no point of being in that.
listen. It feels like you're reading from Google, bro.
Seriously.
No, bro. I am telling from the
Personal
bottom of my heart.
experience. Exactly.
Lishan, okay, so just would like, yeah, it's already light, but just tell us your best shayari that you have ever written.
खिड़की खुली रखी थी, सोचा चांद को देख लूं। खिड़की खुली रखी थी, सोचा चांद को देख लूं। पता
वाह,
नहीं
वाह।
था कि चांद बालकनी पे आके अपने बाल सुखाता था।
ओहो, वाह वाह।
Whoa.
और भी है?
बहुत है.
Yeah, there's more, okay.
बहुत है,
4
बहुत
दिन
है।
की जिंदगी, बचपन, जवानी और बुढ़ापा। 4 दिन की जिंदगी, बचपन, जवानी और बुढ़ापा। जिंदगी की खुशी ना खोना तुम यारा, प्यार मोहब्बत है चूतियापा।
ओहो, पान प्यार का पंचनामा for main lead Lishan D'Souza.
Good one, good one. Wow, wow, wow.
More?
वाह वाह,
Yeah.
दिल की बात।
Oh, you want more?
Yeah, go ahead.
Go on.
उसकी हंसी देखना चाहते थे हम और वही देखते रह गए। उसकी हंसी देखना चाहते थे हम और वही देखते रह गए। क्या पता था कि तुम इतने भी खो जाओगे और वो किसी और की बाहों में सो गए।
Oh, dude, that is.
Oh damn.
I'm moving on to the next question. I think, yeah. Would you guys prefer online dating apps? If yes, then which is your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay, I should start.
Yeah, go on.
I have tried them, so prefer. I don't know, dude. Okay, personal experience. I feel I'm not a very text person. It worked out great for sure, I can say, but I feel the old school way is better. That would be my answer.
Oh, giving letters with the chocolate inside it.
I'm not giving what? No, not that way. Like just meet that person, like wherever you like meet the person like by occasion, and then move to DMs would be better than meeting that person online. I mean, it's great. Like sometimes it depends. It'll turn out to be great sometimes, but I wouldn't prefer. I guess that's my answer.
Yeah. What about Rukia?
I don't prefer like online dating. I don't know. It's just not my thing. I am a very paranoid person. All kidnapping and all of that will come in my head. So I don't prefer
Crime Patrol is
online.
playing in it.
Yeah, exactly. So not an online person. So I don't know which app is better.
Okay.
Like I would like to meet the person and like face to face have a conversation.
Yeah, even I agree. Yeah,
That
Lishan,
is
what do you
my
think?
Like online is very hideous. I don't know. I find it very hideous and strange for some reason.
Yeah, you cannot understand whether the person
Yeah,
is
you
joking.
cannot understand whether like he gets the point or he's just faking it, just to.
Yeah, true. In that perspective, no.
Yeah. What about you, Lishan? How many apps did you try? Tell me.
So I think online dating is cool, but then I haven't tried anyone.
Why?
क्या पता अगर
Then how have you got a numerous date,
No,
Lishan?
I haven't tried any online apps as such. क्या पता अगर फैमिली मैन का कल्याण अगर कल्याणी बन के आ गया तो
No. I guess he is using Clubhouse as dating app. I guess.
Oh, okay.
if you have got the skill right, any app can work.
Yeah, Zomato पे भी match मिल रहे हैं.
We want to inform everyone over here that we will be moving to another platform very soon. Everybody knows that. Yeah, we are moving to YouTube very soon. And we are trying to take it to the next level, I mean, next level in the sense,
What
one
he's
step
trying to tell is
forward.
a professional
And
studio is
one-
in the making
yeah.
in Sudesh's home. Okay, with the proper
Oh,
setup,
damn.
mic and all that, full on. So yeah, so it'll be like a proper podcast then.
Wow, nice.
Yeah,
video
and we
That's
once
lovely.
the lockdown and everything, the lockdown is not there right now, but still once everything clears up, we will meet and we will do the video podcast also. I mean, along with this one setup and all. Yeah, we expect you all to support and have fun with us.
Yes.
That's it.
Okay, before you all wrap this up, I would just like to thank you all for taking me in
You're
here to
welcome.
speak. Like, this was unexpected, but
You're welcome.
thank you. Thank you all.
Yes. Thank you for having me, guys, today in this podcast, and all the audience. If you have topic suggestions, if you're a guy, you can DM Rishikar, and if you're a girl, you can DM me. Thank
Sure.
you.